We are about to get straight into, you know what? I don't even think we're gonna need you today, buddy. You're good. You're good. We need to talk. We need to talk, bro. Listen. So the Air Jordan 14 Gym Reds literally released this morning, right? I was on the sneakers app for 30 minutes. 30 minutes because I had a pending sign. 30 minutes because I had a pending sign, right? Just to take an L. Here, he's all yours. And it didn't even let me know that it was sold out. It just had the pending sign. Thanks, sneakers app. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for letting me know that I took a L on the shoes. Damn it, bro. Messed up my morning. All right, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, listen. Another video, another sneaker pickup. Hashtag it, slam it in the comment section down below. I have a nice little sneaker pickup for you guys, and this one is definitely going to be cool. There's gonna be something a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? But before we get into this video, please go ahead and check me out on the socials. That means the Instagram and the Twitter. That is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. Check out the Bob Marley shirt, you feel me? Listen, I've had this shirt for 3 years. My mom bought this shirt for me like 3 years ago. I've had this shirt for 3 years, and this is the first time I'm ever putting it on. Is that bad? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But without further ado, we're about to get straight into this video. So sit back, relax, go to McDonald's, and get you a Whopper because we are about to get it popping. Woo! Yeah, 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 yeah. And we back. Matter of fact, hold on. And we back, you feel me? I love y'all, but it's not y'all. It's the other people that I'm worried about, you feel me? They might try to take your boy out. You know what I'm saying? Because all this heat I got in here. Now, these pair of sneakers is a dope pair of sneakers, and we are about to get straight into, you know what? I don't even think we're going to need you today, buddy. You're good. You're good. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and just rip into these hoes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Something different. Thumbnail time. Now, the cool thing about these shoes is I bought these for 20 bucks. I have another pair coming in the mail too. Now, as you guys can see just by looking at the box, these are a pair of, matter of fact, no, I'm not even gonna tell you. Here we go. Now, without further ado, on the count of 3, we're just gonna get straight into it, okay? So, let's go ahead and get into the countdown. 3, 2, 1. And here we have. Damn. The Asics Gel Diablo in this stone gray color. Oh my God. Hold on. Hold the hell on. Oh shit, bro. Oh man. These things is look at these. Come on, bro. Hook me up. Look at these, bro. Nah, man, focus, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. 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 Wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Now, listen. Yes, like I said, I picked this shoe up for 20 bucks. Like I tell you guys all the time, man, the sneaker shouts, the sneaker steal, the kick steals, you're gonna wanna always stay tuned to those on Twitter, bro. Like, this is no sponsorship, no nothing. This is just a literal regular consumer, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I always have my notifications on for them because you're always going to come across a W. You feel me? You never know when you'll come across a W. Like the Golf of Flares, I copped the Golf of Flares over there and they dropped the day early. I wouldn't have copped them if it wasn't for that. But these right here are fire. So on the sneaker steal and the sneaker shouts, I found out that a huge sale was going on, $20 for ASICs. And these shoes really cost $140. So $20 for these is just a no-brainer in my opinion. This all over stone gray cut, this all over suede that's all on it is just crazy. It's crispy. So it's like a stone gray, and then it also has a little bit of hits of leather on that hoe too. Super fire, super dope, super duper crispy. Damn. I can't wait to get the other ones I got coming in. Now when it comes to the ASIC Gel Diablo, you feel me? For sizing, I went up a half a size. I recommend that you guys go up a half a size because as you guys can see, them things is for show definitely narrow, you know what I mean? So listen, go up a half a size on those. But when it comes to these right here, the ASIC Gel Diablo was the sneaker for today in this beautiful, immaculate stone gray colorway. I recommend that you guys try something different, you know? I understand a lot of Nikes, a lot of Yeezys, and a lot of Jordans drop, and that's usually the norm for people to wear. But you should like get outside the box. You should try out some Diadoras. You should try out some Sauconys. You should try out some New Balances. You should try out some ASICs. Because a lot of these models, in my opinion, fit better and the quality is way better than some of the Jordans that we all like. I've already seen the Toro 14s in person, and this quality right now is already better than the Toro 14. And it's cheaper at $20. But without further ado, thank you for watching as always. If you guys want a review on this model, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll get that bad boy out for you guys, you feel me? Thank y'all for watching as always. More bangers coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, 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 and Chris Briggs signing out. Yeah! Stop sleeping.